Hello friends, I am Asmita. Welcome to my channel. Once again, in today's video we will learn reported speech. Report meaning to tell, report meaning to report about an event which has already taken place. Report about an event or an incident that has already taken place, or we are reporting about the conversation which has taken place between two persons. It is similar to that of active passive voice that I covered in my previous video. In today's video we will learn reported speech. This question is asked in the 10th standard board examination. Now we will have to change sentences from direct to indirect speech. Direct meaning two person, they are talking to each other directly, face to face conversation, it is called as direct speech. And when we report what those two person they have conversed or talk about, it becomes indirect speech because they are not talking actually, but third person is reporting what they have talked about. So let us see. The first I am trying to explain to you all with the help of some examples, some sentences. See the first sentence which I have written. A patient to a doctor. A patient is talking to a doctor. What the patient says? I am not feeling well. I have got fever since the last 2 days and my body aches. The patient has gone to the doctor and he says that he is suffering from fever since the last 2 days and that he is having pain in his body. Now this is a direct speech. This is what they are, both the patient and the doctor, they are talking. And when I have to report what they have said, it becomes in indirect speech. When the third person is reporting the conversation which took place between the two person, it becomes indirect speech. Before we change this sentence from direct to indirect, this sentence is in direct speech. This is the direct speech between the two person. Direct speech. And we have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. That is what is called as reported speech, because we are reporting about the conversation which has taken place between these two persons. Now it is very helpful, it is easy to change any speech from direct to indirect speech with the help of this chart. So I have framed a chart. You see, in direct speech, if it is I, and when you change it to indirect speech, it will be he or she. If it is male, he. If it is female, she. Me will change into him, her. You will change into he, she. Have, past tense, because an incident or the conversation has already taken place and you are reporting about it. So have, had, today, that day, tomorrow will be the following day, yesterday will be the day before. So let us try to change this sentence from direct to indirect speech. A patient. Before that, now when we have to change sentences from direct to indirect speech, we will have to see, we will have to reporting verbs. We will have to use reporting verbs. Now let us see which are some of the reporting verbs that we have to use when we are required to change sentences. Reporting verbs, they are very important, very essential for changing sentences. Reporting verbs. Reporting verbs. Said. Which are some of the reporting verbs? Said, told, asked, requested, suggested, apologize. If you are feeling sorry, you use this word apologize. Okay. So these are some of the reporting verbs: said, told, asked, requested, suggested, apologize, replied. Now which reporting verb we will use in this sentence, that we will see. A patient told the doctor. A patient told the doctor. A patient told the doctor that, what he told, that I will change to he or she. So the patient, we don't know whether he is male or female. We usually consider it as male if it is not mentioned. So a patient told the doctor that I will change to he, that he. Am will change to was, that he was not feeling well. See here changes. I am underlining the changes, that he was not feeling well, and that he had, and that he had fever. He, I will change to he, that he had fever since the last 2 days. Since the last 2 days. And his body. My will change to his, and his body aged. Ages will change to aged, and that his body aged. Past tense. Okay, because we are reporting what a patient has told to the doctor. A patient told the doctor that he was not feeling well and that he had fever since the last 2 days and his body aged. Sentence which we will have to change into indirect speech. Now the teacher to students, I will take your test tomorrow, come prepared. Now the teacher says to the students that we will have to change it into indirect speech, what the teacher said to the students. I will take your test tomorrow, come prepared. Let us change it. The teacher, now what the teacher says is, teacher is informing the students. So let us use the reporting verb informing, informed. Okay, that is also a reporting verb. So the teacher, it's a reporting verb. The teacher now informed, the teacher, reporting verb is informed. The teacher informed the students. What she informed? The teacher informed the students that, what she informed, that she, I will become she, that she, let us consider that she is female, so she, that she would take, will change to would, that she would take, your will change to their, many students, so their, she would take their test. Tomorrow will be the following day, she would take that test the following day, and continue, and that they should come prepared, and that they should come prepared. So this is how we will have to change. See the changes. The teacher informed the students that she would take their test, your will change with their test the following day, and that they should come prepared. The third sentence, a customer is speaking to the cobbler, I want both my shoes to be mended. A customer says to the cobbler that he wants both his shoes to be mended. So how we will change? A customer said to the cobbler, a customer said, a customer said to the cobbler, what he said? Cobbler, that I will change to he, that he want will change to past tense, that he wanted both, my will change to his, that he wanted both his shoes to be mended or repaired, both his shoes to be mended. So see the changes. A customer said is the reporting verb, that he wanted both his shoes to be mended. This is how you should change it. Okay, changes I have underlined. You can follow the chart that I given to you all, and it will be easy to change sentences like this. Teacher to principal. Yesterday I attended the workshop. It was very informative. Now let us change it. The teacher told the principal. The teacher told the principal. The teacher told is the verb. The teacher told the principal that, what he told, that yesterday, that the day before, yesterday will change to the day before, that the day before, I will change to he, that he attended the workshop, and that it was very informative. Continue, it was very informative. The workshop that he attended was very informative, and that he attended the workshop. You can say which was very informative. Which was very informative. Which was very informative. So see the changes, underline. The teacher told is the reporting verb. The teacher told the principal that the day before he attended the workshop, which was very informative. You will have to use requested. If somebody is requesting you, it will be requested. Okay. Let us take one sentence on requested. Okay, one sentence on requested. Now see the sentence. A passenger to another passenger. One passenger is asking another passenger, will you please open the window? It's hot inside the bus. Now one passenger, when you see the sentence, will you please open the window, meaning somebody is requesting another person. Now you will have to use the verb requested. Reporting verb is requested. A passenger requested another passenger to open the window. How we will write it? A passenger requested another passenger to open the window, as now you will have to continue this. It's hot inside the bus. You will have to continue this conversation. So a passenger requested, I have used the reporting verb requested. A passenger requested another passenger to open the window, as it is will change to as it was hot inside the bus. As it was hot inside the bus. Now present tense will change to past tense since the conversation has already taken place. When you change to indirect speech. So when you change direct to indirect speech, you will have to remember the changes with the help of chart. And another thing that is important that you will have to remember is reporting verbs that you will have to use while you are reporting. So I hope you have understood the content of today's video. If you have understood it, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe it. Till then, keep practicing. Have a nice day ahead.